guys, welcome back to Hypersonic Films, and today I'm going to be making crunchy slime. And before I get on to the video, can you please hit the like button and subscribe to become a pupper, and also comment down below what you'll be wanting me to do in the next video. So let's get on to it. So what you will be needing are a bowl to mix in. Yeah, so big's mine. A spatula. I'm going to be using just a plastic spoon. PVA glue. You can be using clear glue. That'll work. Shaving foam. Your activator. I'm going to be using eye contact solution. You can be using other things that you know about to make it work. And styrofoam beads. You can be using like any type of things. I'll also make it crunchy, but today I'm using styrofoam beads. So let's get on to the video. So what you'll be adding in your bowl first is your PVA glue. And you can make it as big as you want. I'm making a small batch. So alright, so let's go ahead and put that in. I literally am making a small batch, so do not touch me. I know this looks very little, but I do not waste my glue. And the reason why I have such a big bowl is because I want to put my styrofoam beads in there, and then like get my slime and put it in there. It looks satisfying, and because I got a big bowl, it's because I don't want to like the beads fall out and everything. So then you're gonna like stir that a little bit. Here, let me turn this on. Let me turn this off. Goes probably better for you. Sorry about the lighting, guys. Next, you're going to be adding your shaving foam. Okay. I'm just eyeballing it, but y'all can use my phone. Okay. This is going to be so fluffy. Even though we're not even making complete slime today. Wow, this looks so fluffy. And it's also like, I'm hungry. Even though I like literally just ate from Panda, but I'm hungry. Alright, I'm just going to add that much for now. You guys can add food coloring. I'm just going to make a white slime with white crunchy beads. I want to see how it looks like. Next, you're going to be adding your your activator. So I want to add a little bit of time, or else it ain't going to be stretchy when you're done. Hope y'all can see that, but it is getting very thick, and that's what you want it to be. See, it's already becoming slime. You guys can also be adding lotion if it's not stretchy at the end. And when it's done sticking to the bowl, you can go ahead and knead with your hands. Here, I'm going to put more up. There we go. I'm going to be adding a little bit more of my activator. And then after that, I'm going to put a little bit more activator that I might go in with my hands. Or I might just go in now. Yeah, I might go ahead and go in now. It's really hard to mix. Oh, it's not really sticking. mix with my hands now. This is so fluffy. So fluffy, I'm gonna die. Do you guys know that? Comment down below where it's so fluffy I'm gonna die from which movie it is. So, and also like this video if you love slime. If you love crunchy slime. So it's coming together, kind of. Am I smiling? This is so freaking awesome. I'm gonna add a little bit more because this is really sticking to my hands a lot. Alright, that's enough. This looks so awesome. I love white slime. It just looks like snow or something. Alright. Here comes some like ASMR. Look at my hands. I gotta take this off my hands. And then I'm not gonna add any more. If you're making crunchy slime and you're adding your like beads in, you always want your slime just a little bit sticky so your beads can stick with your slime. But if your slime's not that sticky, then your beads are gonna be like falling out every second, and trust me, you're gonna get very frustrated. So now I'm gonna get all the slime off the bowl, and then we'll go ahead and do the styrofoam part. I love that part. Come on. Is this gonna come together or not? Alright, so that's the best I can do for now. So now I'm gonna get the slime out of the way. Get my styrofoam beads in my bowl. Oh. And then I'm gonna put these in here. You guys can put as many as you guys want. Alright. That's probably enough, right guys? Yeah, that's enough for now. You guys can't really see in the camera. There's literally like a bunch of beads in the bowl. I mean, literally a lot of beads. Alright, so I'm going to close that for now. So as you can see, there's a lot of beads. I literally better not get this out, or else Mom's going to see that. Alright, so. Oh, wow. I have like little slime. Alright, so now I'm just going to go ahead and put my slime in here and see how this goes. Ready, set. Oh my, I don't want to mix this in. I'm so excited. If you guys can see, this feels so awesome. And the slime is literally covered in this bead stuff. And it's not even sticking to my hands. This looks absolutely amazing. Can you guys even see the slime? I mean, look at it. It's so awesome. So now, oh my gosh. So I'm gonna go take you guys to go wash my hands. I'm so sorry. Sorry for the noise that's about to come up right now. So I'm gonna be washing my Sorry about this process I'm doing this here. I'm gonna go my hand. Alright. So now let's go ahead and get back to the slime. Get my camera center. Alright, so now this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh. So I always had a good idea because I never told my mom if I can use the bowl. This is not my bowl. It's my mom's, but should be fine. Alright, so now I'm gonna go get my thingamabobber, which is the container, and yeah, I'm gonna go get it. Thingamabobber. So I don't know if it's gonna fit in here, but I'm gonna try, I guess. I can't. Oh my, I just don't want to get my hands dirty. Alright, so basically, yeah, I don't think it's going to fit in the bowl. So I'm going to put that back. Let's go get a different bowl. This is so crazy. So guys, I got my bowl, and let's see if this works this time. This is so freaking amazing. So that's the best I can probably do. So yeah, this is awesome. Huh? It feels like snow or something. This is literally probably not gonna fit. Seriously, this doesn't even fit in the freaking bowl. This is so bad. I don't know. Come on. Right. Sorry, guys. So apparently that does not fit. Well, anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next time. And please comment down what you want me to be doing next. And please subscribe to become a pupper and leave a like if you like this video. If you don't hit the like button. Dislike if you don't like it. But I'll see you guys next time. Bye.